Very good morning, my dear students.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning,
Good morning,
students.
sir.
In the last session, we started the discussion about division algorithm for polynomials. Am I right, beta?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
We understood the meaning of the title, that is division algorithm for polynomials, and the same has been illustrated with one of the example. Am I correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Let us recall the same in a short manner. What is that? Beta, you are supposed to take two polynomials. One is p of x and the other one is g of x. You need to perform the division between them. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Whenever
sir.
you do the division between these two, obviously you are going to get two more polynomials. Which are the two more new polynomials, beta, addressed as?
Q of X,
Q of
R of
X,
X.
Q of X, R of X.
Yeah. Q of x and r of x. And we know the terminology. This p of x will be considered as what, beta?
3x squared plus x minus 1.
Dividend.
Beta, no, no, no. That was the example.
Dividend.
Considered as
Dividend.
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 What about this, beta?
Divisor.
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 Quotient.
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 And
Quotient.
this is
Remainder.
Remainder.
Divisor.
Remainder.
then the mathematician Euclid has stated a statement, beta. What he said is, students, make yourself mute. Yeah, please make yourself mute. He said, dividend, that is p of x, is equal to, beta, I'm repeating, please make yourself mute. Prajakta, off your microphone. Okay. P of x, that is the dividend, is equal to g of x into q of x, that is divisor into quotient, plus r of x, that is remainder. This is what we call it as division algorithm for polynomials. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then we have taken a
Yes, sir.
particular example, one polynomial as dividend, one polynomial as divisor, and we understood the procedure of dividing it. Am I right, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes. Remainder and the quotient. Now, beta, today we will continue the concept of the chapter polynomials with a new aspect, that is remainder theorem. What is the new thing, beta?
Remainder
Remainder
theorem.
theorem.
It is totally a new concept for you people in the algebra, which you are going to study for this particular academic section. Okay. So all of you write on the side heading, remainder theorem. Remainder theorem. Written?
Yes, sir.
Now, obviously, the question comes, sir, what is this remainder theorem and what is the importance of the theorem? Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So look at the title. The theorem is somewhere connected to the remainder. That is why we call it as a remainder theorem. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what we will do, beta? First, I'll give you the statement and one example. Later, I'll explain the meaning of the sentence in detail. Okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
about the statement, beta, make a para. Write down. If a polynomial p of x is divided by a linear polynomial, a linear polynomial x minus a, put it in the bracket. If a polynomial p of x is divided by a linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder will be P of A always. Better first write it down. I will explain the meaning. Don't worry.
Sir wrote.
Okay. Niti, will you repeat the sentence beta? Quick. Okay, any one of you. Read it.
Sir, I will read.
Yeah.
Sir, I'll read.
Yeah. Bhargav.
If a polynomial p of x is divided by a linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder will be p of a always.
Yeah, beta. It is a remainder, not reminder. Okay. Now, what is the meaning we need to
Okay, sir.
understand? Beta, P of x has to be divided means P of x is a dividend which we have to take. Dividend is P of x. Now it has to be divided by a divisor. Look at this. This sentence is important. This word is important. Linear polynomial. Beta, we have studied in the classification. Can anybody tell what is the meaning of linear polynomial?
Sir,
In
which
linear
has a power
polynomial,
as
highest degree
Yeah,
as 1.
a polynomial with a degree 1 wherein the highest power of the variable is 1, not more than 1. Am I right, beta? So here, the
yes.
divisor beta, which we are going to take, divisor, which we are going to take g of x, it should be compulsorily linear polynomial of the form x minus a. Got the concept? So,
Yes, sir.
the
Yes, sir.
earlier p of x, g of x be any kind of polynomial beta. But here, p of x may be any kind. No need of worrying about it. It may be degree 1, degree 2, degree 3, whatever. But divisor should be degree 1 only. That is the linear polynomial which will be written in this form. Clear beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Cases, in such cases, no need of going for the long division, or else we call it as actual division, which we have done yesterday beta. You have done? We took
Yes,
one
sir.
polynomial right side, one polynomial left side. Some of the quotient terms we have written above and the remainders we got below. Correct beta?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Was a bit lengthy procedure to find the remainder. Am I correct beta?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this theorem will give you a shortcut. It says there is no need of going for this entire drama. No need of going for the long division to find the remainder. If you go for this rule, you will get the remainder very quickly without performing the actual division. Got the concept?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, much better we how to go for the example, then we will get the things. Okay, before that beta, this sentence I will show it symbolically. This is a verbal statement. I'll put it in the symbolic form. That is if x minus a divides p of x. Beta, look at this. The straight line, vertical line, we refer it as a divides. Okay, if this is going to divide this, then remainder r is equal to p of a. This is the symbolic representation of the statement for remainder theorem. Better write it fast. I'll take one example to elaborate. Quick. Write it down.
Sir, wrote.
Done?
Sir,
Yeah.
Written,
Beta.
sir.
One thing I left in this statement, that is p of a. Actually, what is p of a? Beta, look at this. P of a is nothing but the zero for this polynomial. That is, when you take x minus a is equal to 0, you equate this one to 0, you will get x is equal to a. And this a, if you substitute here, you are going to get the result as 0. So that is what we call it as P of A. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is important, beta. This is very important. P of A is nothing but the solution, the 0 of the given linear polynomial, which we have taken as a divisor. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Let us take one example to understand the same. Right below. For example, let P of X is equal to 3x square plus x minus 1 and g of x is equal to x plus 1. Beta, if you remember the same two examples I have taken yesterday for performing the division. Am I right, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Beta, what was the remainder we got finally? Check. What was the remainder we got?
1. Sir, 1.
1.
What is the procedure? Yeah, beta. You understood the procedure. We have done it. Left side, sorry, right side, we have written this. Left side, we have written the divisor. We went for first term by first term of this, which was 3x that we have written here. Then we multiplied with this. Just I'm writing in a short manner, beta. Yes. Then we perform the subtraction. This and this getting cancelled. So we got minus 2x plus 1. Am I right, beta?
Yes,
Sorry.
sir.
Yeah, it was minus 1 beta. So minus 1. Then again, the new term was minus 2x. The earlier, the first term of the divisor is x getting cancelled. Minus 2 that we have written here. Again, we have multiplied. Then finally, we changed the symbols again. Minus becomes plus, getting cancelled out of 2 to 1. Plus 1 was the remainder. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Beta, you can understand.
Yes,
This
sir.
is what we call it as actual division. What we call, beta?
Actual division.
Here, it is lengthy, number one, time consuming, number two, and bit burden for the people to do it. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Remainder theorem, beta. Remainder can be got very easily without performing the division. How? I will show it now. For this, beta, you have to take the divisor g of x is equal to 0. When this is 0, obviously x plus 1 is equal to 0. Am I right, beta? So, send this one right side. 0 plus will become minus 1. So, finally, x is equal to minus 1. Got the concept, beta?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, now, remainder r is equal to p of a. Beta, a value is nothing but this minus 1. Whatever we'll get for x after equating the divisor to 0, that is the 0 of this polynomial minus 1, that has to be taken as a. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
P of minus 1. Now question comes, what is this P of minus 1? Beta, this minus 1 has to be put in this polynomial. That is the dividend. Whatever you'll get the 0 for the divisor, that 0, that answer has to be put in the dividend and solve it, you will get the final remainder. Let us do it, beta. Tell me what I have to write. In the place of x
3x
minus 1.
Minus 1
minus
square.
1 square plus minus 1 minus 1.
Alright, so let's solve it further. 3 minus into minus plus. 3 ones are, sorry, it becomes plus 1. 1 into 3 is 3. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Plus into minus 1 as it is. Now, if you solve it, finally, look at this. In 3, remove 1, 2. Again in 2, remove 1. What is the answer, beta?
1.
1.
As 1, which is exactly same as the long division which we have done yesterday. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Not
Yes.
only yesterday. Just now I have done it, beta. We got the remainder as 1. Am I right?
Yes,
So,
sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
total meaning of remainder theorem. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Beta,
Yes,
copy
sir.
fast. From here till here. This and this is the last step. Copy, beta, quick. Fast. Hmm.
Yes, sir. Copy.
Done?
Written.
Yes, sir.
Let me explain you the meaning, importance of remainder theorem in simple language, a short language. But whenever the two polynomials will be given, one is a dividend and the other one is divisor. Here the condition is there for the divisor. Divisor should be always a linear polynomial whose degree is 1. Okay. In such cases, only in such cases, beta, if the divisor is quadratic or cubic, this is not going to stand. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Remainder theorem is going to stand only for the linear as a divisor. In such cases, remainder will be P of A. The meaning is you have to take a linear polynomial which was the divisor, equate it to 0, solve for the variable, you'll get one answer. That answer you have to consider as A and has to be substituted in the place of variable in the dividend. Got the concept? That final simplification, what you are going to get, that will be the remainder for the division of this with this. Got it, beta?
Yes, sir.
Now, this concept will be much more clear to you people once I start solving the exercise 2.3. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's start the discussion on the exercise 2.3. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Who will read? Raise the hands, beta. Who will read the question quick in the chat box? Yeah. Aziza, read, beta.
Yes, sir. Exercise 2.3. Find the remainder when x square plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by first one x plus 1.
Okay, beta. Let us see the question. Just 1 minute. I'm writing the heading. Chapter Polynomials. Exercise 2.3. First main, first one. Students, look at the question, what they are telling. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by number 1 x plus 2, number 2 x minus half, number 3 x plus pi, number 4. Sorry, there are how many questions, beta? Total 5 questions.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Aziz,
Yes.
all the 5, beta. Quick.
Yes, sir. First one x plus 1, second one x minus 1 divided by 2, third one x, fourth one x plus pi, fifth one x plus 2x, 5 plus 2x.
Yeah, but 5 plus 2x. Students, look at the concept here. What is the meaning of the question? Even though there are 5 sub questions in it, the divisor is going to be changed. G of x. Earlier it is x plus 1, then it becomes x minus half, then it becomes the change according to the question. Correct, beta? But
Yes, sir.
Yes,
in
sir.
all the 5 sub questions, dividend remains the same. What is the dividend, beta?
X cube plus 3x plus
X cube
3
plus
plus
3x plus 1.
Yeah. So let us start solving one by one. In the first main, I'll go with the first question. Okay, let me write given. Given thing. Dividend, that is P of x is equal to. They gave. Shrija, tell me better what is that? X cube plus 3x square. Huh.
plus 3x plus 1.
Plus 3x plus 1 or else plus x beta it is. It is 3x, sorry. This is P of x, dividend, because they said this has to be divided. Okay. In the first one, Shrija, what is the divisor given beta?
X plus 1.
X plus 1. Okay. What we are supposed to find?
Remainder.
Yes, beta. Just now we have done it in the example. What is the procedure? Take the divisor, equate it to 0. First, we will write let g of x is equal to 0. This implies x plus 1 is 0. Let us solve it. X is equal to, shall I write directly beta? It is minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, remainder r is equal to p of a. It means p of minus 1. Correct beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
minus 1. Look at this. P stands for this. Minus 1 stands for this. So wherever x is there in the dividend, substitute minus 1 beta. So let us do it. Minus 1 the cube plus 3 into minus 1 the square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Now the important thing, solving this. Beta, tell me, what will be the cube of minus 1?
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Because if it is odd number as a power, it remains minus only. 1 to any power will be 1 only. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
into 1. The square of minus 1 is plus 1.
Minus
Into
1,
1.
1.
Into 1 is 1. Okay. Then beta, plus into minus. Minus 3. 3 into 1. 3. Plus into minus minus. Then plus 1 as it is. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is the final answer, beta, here? What is the final answer? Remainder.
0.
0. How it is 0, beta? Your favorite work. Positive, negative. Cancel it. Positive, negative. Cancel it. Am I right, beta?
The answer is 0.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This answer, you are going to get under 0 here. So final answer. What is the remainder, beta?
0.
0.
0.
Students, do. Yeah, beta. Do it quickly, fast.
Sir, done.
Any confusion, beta?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Beta, this is just the beginning of the exercise 2.3. I have done the 1. Okay. What you do, beta? You try to get the answer for the second one and the third one. I repeat, second one and the third one. We will continue in the next class. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anybody having any questions
Yes,
to me
sir.
here? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then we are going to end the session. Bye, beta. Take care.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.